You something earlier. Do you still have your wallet? Really? Please check. Okay, I'm good but not that good. Let's clap for that. Palakpakan. It's not easy. Okay, besides that, I want you to think of a 3-digit number inside your head. Don't say it out loud just yet. I'll write something first. Okay? Count to 10 for me. 1, 2, 3, go. Yes. Okay. What's the latest speaker? Okay. I'm not very familiar with celebrities, but I took the liberty of writing down names of celebrities in here. For example, we have Yoyoy Villame. He is a Bolano comedian and songwriter. Very good guy. Did not meet him. Of course, we have Mr. Joseph Gara. A lot of people here favorite Joseph Gara, diba? Yes. And then we have name here. Are you familiar with her? She is an actress from Japan who recently moved to the Philippines. You can